My name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the 12th episode to create a responsive website using Vuetify. In the previous episode, we worked on creating not found page. Today, we'll be working on making the site fully responsive. First of all, we'll open grid component so that we can find out the breakpoint we need to know. Open the Vuetify website. Click on Get Started. Click on UI Component and click on Grids. So here we have 5 different breakpoints and we can clearly see what is breakpoint is targeted to. For example, we have got extra small breakpoint which is targeted to small to large handset and got range less than 600px. Then we have small breakpoint which is targeted to small to medium tablet and has range from 600 to 960px and so on. Now let's start testing and working on responsive. First, open developer tool by pressing F12 in your keyboard. Then click on toggle device toolbar. Then you can select responsive here and type 1264, which applies for desktop version. So I am using that breakpoint based on this breakpoint. Now slowly scroll down and check whether anything is breaking or not. If you are happy with the home page, you can check about and contact page too. And it seems everything is good for desktop version. Now type 960, which applies for large tablet and laptops. Again, check every page to make sure everything is alright or not. And it seems everything is good with this version too. Now type 600, which applies from small to medium tablets. Then again check every page to make sure everything is alright or not. So in home page everything seems fine to me except this latest post. I want it to be 100% width rather than 33% width. So open latest post.view. And here in vcol add md equals 4 and change cols equals 12 instead of 4. I assume you probably know the grid system. 4 means using 33% width and 12 means using 100% width. I have used md equals 4 because I want 33% width in large tablet to laptop and also in higher devices. Col 12 means use 100% in smaller devices. Now you can check your site and it is showing 100% width, which is good. And if you expand the width, it is showing 3 column. Now let's check other pages. And other pages seems fine for me. So now you can type 320 over here, which applies to small to large handset. Now the first thing I want to do is to remove this text from hero block. So open hero.view, and in this title add the class called hidden access only, which means hide the title when the device is 600px or less. Let's check the site, and it's working now, which is good. Now in this gallery you can see 3 columns, and I want to show 2 columns instead of 3. So open gallery.view, and here in this vcol add cols equals 6 and md equals 4. Now you can check the site again, and it's just showing 2 columns now. So if you expand, it should show 3 columns. So in small device it is showing 2 columns, and in large device it is showing 3 columns, which is good. Now continue checking all the blocks in home page, and it seems everything looks nice except the burger menu in this header. I will show them at last, but before that I want to check about and contact page. So click on about page, and in about page I want to fix this our themes. So open about.view, and in this vcol you can change the cols into 12 and add sm equals 4. Here I'm using sm equals 4 because I want to apply 100% weight only in mobile version. So you can check the site again, and you can see it is 100% weight now. If you expand, it shows 3 columns, and in mobile version it just shows 1 column. So everything else looks fine for me in this about page. So let's look at this contact page. And in contact page everything looks fine too. Finally, let's work on this burger menu. The first thing I want to do is to hide this current navigation in mobile version. So open header.view, and in this v toolbar item you can add a class called hidden access only, so that it will be hidden for mobile version. You can check the site and it should be gone. Then I want to add drop down menu in mobile version. So let's find the menus component, open the Vuetify site, and then click on menus. Then I want to use this drop down, so click on view source, then copy everything that starts and ends with v menu, and then inside your header.view, just after this v toolbar item, you can paste it after adding a new div with a class called hidden sm and up. So this class will let you hide this drop down from breakpoint small and up, which means it will only be visible in mobile version. Now you can remove this for loop and interpolation because we are using static content, and instead you can add a new class called responsive menu. Then you can copy this router link and paste it over here, and you can copy two more link for about and contact. Once done, you can check the site and check whether the link is working or not. So click on about page, and about is working. Click on home is working. Click on contact, and it seems all the links are working fine. Finally, instead of this drop down button, let's use the burger icon, and you can find the icon in toolbar components under bars. So this is the icon we need. Click on view source, and then copy this icon. Here you can paste it over here, and then copy this fee on, paste it over here, and then you can remove this fee button. Now check the site and your burger icon should be ready, and all your links are working too. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, I will show you how to deploy and make the site live. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.